Hey, what's up family? Welcome back to the channel for another video. In this one we're gonna go over Supreme Week 5, which just so happens to be TNF. I'm not gonna waste too much time, but leave a like on this video if you do end up enjoying. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Low-key, I got more shit on the way. Make sure you subscribe. Hey, we on road to 20k, so make sure you do that. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. So as y'all see off rip right here, we got like this plus vibe on the TNFs, and it has this big Supreme patch under it. You can also tell that it is reflective, which is pretty cool. Off rip, I'm seeing three colors. You got blue, camo, and then this like lilac color, which is probably my favorite. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Then you got this camo color, which is a little bit too much for me, but I see if you wear this with something more monotone, khaki or beige pants definitely would go hard. This lilac color is probably my favorite for sure. I wonder if there's a meaning behind the pluses. I don't know what the name of the collection is, but hey, definitely got a lot of pluses on it. I think it's cool. At the end of the day, it's something different than what they done before. We normally get the ball toro, the parka, or the fleece. It almost looks like a bubble in a way. This is what I'm excited for, the parka. This should go hard, bro. Honestly, if I could pick this up, I definitely will. Now that I'm seeing this jacket, I feel like we might have seen this model before. This is the Summit series, and I don't know what retail is gonna be on these, but this black one is so cold with that badge right there. You got the plus Summit series, then you got the Supreme TNF. Honestly, I'd go for this and sell the red one I have with the S logo on it. I'd probably wear this shit so much more. It has the pluses on the side, almost looks like headphones or like the Cause X's. I think it's actually a cool touch. This lilac color, I'm telling y'all, this shit gonna do something. I wonder if that top piece, this whole shit right here, is the long sleeve or it's part of the jacket. Like, I really need to know, but we'll see in a little bit. You got the book bag, which is actually fire. I love the way that this came out. It just looks like the perfect amount of branding. They didn't overdo it or underdo it. It just looks perfect, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this shit looks like a book bag that you would use long term, and it being a TNF collaboration, bro, come on, you know this shit gonna last you decades, dead ass, if you really treat it right. But you got the goggles. These shits go so hard. I just feel like who the is really about to wear these goggles, bro? Like, I really need to know, like, who's wearing this shit and is not performing a concert and or recording slash filming something for some type of media, bro. Like, I just don't see somebody walking out on a regular Tuesday to go get some Starbucks wearing these bitches right here. It's just not happening, dead ass, bro. If you're not skiing, taking pictures or doing some shit related, or just performing or off shrooms or some shit, this shit just don't make sense. But hey, to each his own. I'm definitely sleeping on these. I see why. I feel like a couple years ago I probably would have impulse bought these shits for no reason, and they would have been behind me. Well, y'all can't see it right now because of the green screen. That shit would have been behind me on a shelf taking dust for no reason. So I'm good on that. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. We do got this jacket, which is so clean. It all makes sense now, bro. The whole collection is called the Rescue Collection. Like, come on, it's right there, bro. So yeah, like I said, it's the Summit series with the Rescue Collection. This camo color is definitely solid. I like that plus on the back. I don't know what it is about it. It just looks different. You got that blue, which now I see this, and it's not even like a lilac. It's more like a baby pink. Had this been a lilac color, I feel like it would have been one of my favorites, but it's not. So I feel like I'm good on this bitch. I'm not even gonna lie. Everything just looks so much nicer on that black color. That camo is my second favorite color, and it's reflective. Come on, bro. Yeah, this pro jacket is definitely the vibe. This shit almost looks like Arc'teryx but Supreme style, low-key. This Summit series looks sick. I really like this jacket from the front. Then you get to the back, and I feel like the branding is way too big. You got the little pluses on the side, big ass plus, and a Supreme on the back of this one. It's a little bit too much, bro. A little too much. I feel like that shit should have been smaller or something. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. Let me know in the comments. This is still my favorite color, followed by this camo color right here, but on the puffy jacket it almost has like a different feel to it. So for the ball toro, I like the black and the camo color, and then for the pro jacket, I like the black. Camo is a little bit of a different tone on this jacket. This one is better in that blue. Yo, if they would have used the lilac color instead of that baby pink, I'm telling you that shit would have slapped, bro. Shit would have slapped, bro. I'm trying to tell you. Here's the back of the jacket. jackets. Honestly, too much branding. The reflective aspect of it is kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, these pants are hard as f. Love the buckle on these, the cut of them. It almost looks like these thick pair of canvas pants. The pluses on top of the cargo pockets, and they got it on the back. Definitely some sick ass pants. There's a lot of detail in these, and that's something that I really do like. Back pockets have zippers on them, pluses on the bottom as well. They have buttons at the cuff. A lot of details in these pants. Yo, there's buttons on the top to tighten the pants. That's body, bro. Black ones are my favorite by far. Sturdy pair of winter pants. These are solid. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Come release, I'm probably sleeping on these bitches. I'm not paying $300 or $250 or whatever they want for these. Miss me with that shit. I could probably get some Stone Island pants with that, and I'm not about to spend it on some Supreme ones. Alright. Look. They got reflective on it. They trying to bring me in. Nah, you gonna have to miss me with that. This base layer long sleeve top, it almost looks like it has a mask attached to it. Head ass. What if you trying to breathe? Like, what the fuck you gonna do? You can't even take this shit off. Your head gonna be through where the eye shit is if you feel claustrophobic in this bitch. Hey, nah, bro. This design right here would have never been ever a thing 3 years ago, to be honest. There's dead ass a shirt with a hood ski mask sewn onto it. Think about that shit. You can't take it off. You gotta take the whole shit off to fully breathe, bro. Like, nah, we good on this shit. It's cool. Like, hey, I respect you, brother. Like, I respect your hustle. I'm just, no, like, it's just, I'd rather get both pieces separate so that I could just take that shit off if I want to. Same 4 colors. If you want my opinion on which are the best colors, I would say the black, blue, and then maybe the camo. I feel like the tone of pink that they used is not the right tone. I would have liked to see a more muted pastel pink. That would have been so hard. It's too bright for what they're doing with these pieces. Like, bro, you got a whole ski mask hoodie shirt in a baby shower pink color. Like, what? Where are you going? Bro, where are you going? Please let me know. Like, let me know in the comments down below where you pulling up with that shit in pink on. Like, please. But you do got the T releasing, which is probably one of my favorite pieces. I do feel like this is more artistic, more on the playful fun side, and it's something that I do fuck with that North Face pulled off in this collaboration, because normally it's just a North Face patch, you feel me, a little oval that says North Face on it. Sometimes they do release little picture tees, and I am a fan of those. This one might be the piece that I end up going for this week. I'm not too pressed to cop. I wouldn't be mad at this sketch short sleeve top, especially in that like sage tan color. Come on, bro, imagine the North Face jacket in this color. I don't even got no words for them, bro. Just stop it. But we do got the book bag right here, clean like I said earlier. This one comes in the same 4 colors, the blue, the black, probably my favorite for this one. I do like the patches on the back of it. Even though they're big, it makes sense. It's a book bag. This shit looks sturdy as fuck, and it looks like something that will hold a decent amount of shit and it will last you a while. These also are reflective, so the whole shit is reflective. Basically, we got the Smith Rescue goggles. These come in the same 4 colors. Honestly, for these, the camo is by far the best. Second, I would go with that blue, just because the lens matches with the side. It just looks clean. Yo, I feel like you could go skiing with these shits low key, but it all depends what that retail be talking about. These hoes could be anywhere from $150 to like $800. Like, this shit could really vary. I don't know what this brand talking about right here. Shit could really go either way. I wonder if we have any retails. We don't so far, but here's everything laid out on Supreme community. So far, everybody's liking the rescue goggles and the tee the most. People really fucking with the layer sleeve top, bro. Like, what is going on? This the world we living in, for real. No, like, just negative, just not, no. Why, bro? Stop. But yeah, we got the goggles, the tee, the mask, turtleneck. You got the pro jacket, which is probably my favorite piece releasing. Then these pants are at the bottom, but it doesn't make sense. These are hard in that black color. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the TNF. I feel like there's gonna be more items added, obviously, for the lookbook, so I will cover that either tomorrow or after tomorrow. Leave a like on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel. Roll to 20K. Come on, bro, show some love. And with all that being said, let me know what your favorite item is in the comments. What y'all think they're gonna be adding? Is it gonna be be trash, or is it gonna be some heat from the lookbook? Honestly, I feel like it's not that bad. We've seen way worse. Like, jacket is actually not bad, not bad.